That's right, you heard it here first. One of the biggest football apps in the world is coming on chain. They've already raised over $300 million worth of capital to bring this project on chain. So today I'm going to be showing you how you can participate in their potential airdrop. Just watch this video and I'll guide you through how you can participate. Step 1. Go to the first link provided below in the description. That is my referral link to the Onefootball platform. Using this link would grant you a bonus 300 balls boost, meaning you'll get more from the airdrop when it is announced. Step 2. Once you open up the website, log in using your MetaMask or Wallet Connect enabled wallet. You will also be prompted to sign to verify that you own the wallet. Read through the privacy policy and ensure that you accept the terms. Ensure the code shown is QUABEJDTDAUM. 300 balls bonus secured. Now follow me as I do everything else. You are required to follow the Onefootball Club Twitter page and also follow them on Warpcast. They have a minigame called Eurocaster, where you guess which team would beat another team. Doing this would earn you more balls, and the possibility of earning some Degen tokens. Then do your daily check-in. Warpcast is a platform used a lot by Web3 people. You can sign up using my link below too. Once you follow them on Warpcast, scroll to the bottom of their casts to like their very first cast. With all of these complete, you would now qualify for their airdrop. Complete any additional tasks to ensure to maximize your airdrop earnings.
Play ball!